Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw the chief from Dogman. So first we're going to start it with the head and the top, and we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle. For the eyes, on the left hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big oval. And then leaving a small gap, we're going to move over on the right hand side and replicate that. Now in towards the top of both, we're going to draw in another oval for the highlight of the eye. And then we're going to color in the rest of that pupil black. Now in the center, we're going to draw in a circle for the nose. Let's draw in a wavy line as we come out on the right. And then we'll do the same thing as we come over on the left. Now for our mouth, on the top, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes across. And then moving underneath, we're going to draw in a nice big curved line. Moving in towards the top, we're going to draw in another straight line that comes across. We're going to draw in two straight lines on both sides. And then moving across again, let's replicate that one more time. Now for our hat, on the left-hand side, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming up. We'll do the same thing as we come over on the right. And then we're just going to close this off with a small curved line from left to right. For the corner of the hat, starting in this point here, we're going to curve this line around, bringing that back in towards the top of the head. And then now we're just going to write the word chief. So we're going to start on the left with the letter C. Moving across, writing the letter H. Writing the letter I. Moving across, writing the letter E. And then lastly, just writing in the letter F. Now let's move down and draw in our arms. So on the left-hand side, we're going to bring this line out on a diagonal. We're going to do the same thing on the right, just bringing this further down towards the bottom. Now from here underneath, we're going to curve this line out and then in. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left. From that point in the middle, curving this line back up. And then again, one more time, curving this line around and then in. For the torso on the inside, we're going to curve this line up towards our chin on both sides. And now closing off the rest of the arm from that corner, we're just going to bring our diagonal line in on both sides. And then now closing off the wrist, we're just going to draw in a straight line that comes down towards the bottom. Let's extend the torso underneath now. So we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out on both sides. And then we're going to close off the bottom with another straight line. In the middle now, we're going to draw in two diagonal lines that join at a point. And then we're going to bring those diagonal lines out on both sides. Now from here, from that corner, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then back up on the right. Let's draw in our legs now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to bring this diagonal line out. We'll do the same thing over on the right. From the corner here, we're just going to curve this line out, bringing that back in underneath. And then we'll do the same over on the left. And then now closing off the leg, moving up, we're going to draw in a line that comes directly up towards the top. And that is it. That's how you draw the chief from Dogman. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all in the next one.